Very good morning, dear students. Welcome to Analysis and Design of Algorithms. So, in the previous class, I have explained the concepts related to the fundamental concepts. What is an algorithm? Then notion of algorithm, so notation. We also call them as a notation. Then fundamental concepts, different type of problem solving techniques which comes under this analysis and design of algorithms. What we have discussed. Then today we'll continue this. So I request all the students to join as early as possible. So shall I share the screen? Dear students, shall I share? Very good morning. Whether I am audible? Dear students, shall I share the screen?
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Yes, sir.
So I hope it is visible now. So this is what we have.
Visible, sir.
Yeah. So Euclid's algorithm I have explained in my previous class. Any doubts here in Euclid's algorithm? Shall we continue?
Yes, sir. Continue.
So this is also called as a notion of algorithm. What we have discussed, same thing. So next examples of different type of problems like the computational problems, particularly sorting. So what is sorting? Anybody? Yaru define ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ sorting ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? Yes. Can anybody define what is sorting? So it's a technique of rearrangement of numbers or values in a predefined manner. Either it may be an increasing order, what we can say ascending order, or it may be decreasing order, what we can say descending order. Okay, so the systematic rearrangement of values or numbers in a given data structure, or it may be an array, is called as a sorting technique. So a statement of problem, if you consider for this sorting. So what is the input for a sorting algorithm? It is nothing but a sequence of numbers. Okay, n number of numbers like a1, a2, so on. Maybe an means number of different numbers. So voice clear ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ dear students, audibility ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ? Hello?
Yes, sir. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
So now this, if you consider this sorting, so the input for the sorting is an array. Okay, it's an array with a number of elements. Next, what is the output of the sorting mechanism? Once again, an array. Okay, it is nothing but reordered array, rearranged array of input sequence. Whatever the input what we have given, a1, a2, an, it will be rearranged to form a1 dash, a2 dash, so on up to an dash. Okay, so that ai dash is less than or equal to aj dash. Ai dash is less than or equal to aj dash means it is a ascending order because I is less than j. I comes first, then j comes. So that is why the number is arranged in increasing order or ascending order. Then we have given an example. If you consider 5, 3, 2, 8, 3. If you sort this, once again, the two numbers they occur same time, so we will consider the numbers adjacent to one another, like 2, 3, 3, 5, 8. It will be the arranged numbers. So different type of sorting algorithms. We have selection sort, we have insertion sort, we have merge sort. All these things we will discuss in our future classes one day. So selection sort. So how this selection sort will work? So it is there in the next module. I will take it there. Okay. Algorithm design techniques. Fundamental data. Okay. 1 second. 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 1 sec Okay, selection sort. So what is selection sort? If you consider an input an array of n number of elements like a1, a2, so on up to an, the output is nothing but once again a sorted array in non-decreasing order. Non-decreasing means ascending order. So this is the logic for sorting a selection sort. For I is equals to 1 to n, it's a for loop, okay, which varies from 1 to n. Swap a of I with the smallest, okay, swap a of I with the smallest of ai to an. Okay, so this process we call them as a sorting mechanism. So that is why it is a selection sort. How it works, I'll briefly explain. So swap a of I, swap, ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಾ with
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬ್ಲರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
smallest of fi go on to n, and loop has been given for I equals to 1 to n. So this is the loop. If you consider any, for example, 4, 3, 1, 2. If you consider a simple array, so first what we have to do, swap a of I. So this is a of I, and this is a of 1, this is a of 2, this is a of 3, this is a of 4. Since I varies up to n, so we have up to 1 to 4. So because 4 number of elements they are present in the array, so that is the swap a of I with the smallest of a of I. First we have to consider the a of I. So this is the a of I 4. You will have to swap 4 with the smallest. Okay. So what remains is the another set, that is 3, 1, 2. So among these 3, 1, 2, which is the smallest? Which is the smallest?
1.
1. So you swap. So what you will get? 1, 3, 4. Okay. So and the process will continue. Okay. Now this is for I is equals to 1. Now I for I is equals to 2, because the for loop is going to change. Okay. So for I is equals to 1 to n, now 1 has changed into I is equals to 2. Now once again do the same thing. Okay. So this is and it is d of 1, it is d of 2, it is d of 3, it is d of 4. Now you consider this a of 2, that is 3. Okay. You consider this 3. Okay. And you swap this 3. You swap this 3 with the rest of the right hand side values. With the rest of the right hand side values. So among 4 and 2, which is the smallest? Among 4 and 2, the smallest?
2.
So 2 is
2.
smallest. So you swap this. So what happens? 1, 2, 4, and 3 will be the outcome. So now once again I changes to 3. I changes to 3. Kansata? I changes to 3. So this is a of 1, a of 2, this is a of 3, this is a of 4. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to swap a of 3. So this is 3, and with the rightmost element. Okay, the smallest rightmost element. So that is only 1. That is only 1. That is 3. So whatever it is may be small, it may be whatever it is, you have to swap. What is the outcome? 1, 2, 3, and this is so called as ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಬರ್ದಿರೋದು ಏನಾರ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಾ?
ಸರ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಹಾ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಸರ್
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ
ಕಟ್
ಇದೆ
ಕಟ್
ಸರ್.
ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ವಾಯ್ಸ್.
ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಈಗ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ?
ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಹಾ
ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ? ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.